back once again, Hitmakers Outdoors. I'm David, and as you can see, I'm standing on some fresh concrete. We finally had the concrete pad poured in front of the garage. It's about 35-ish feet wide and 60 feet deep. So we're going to have plenty of room out here to work on tractors, work on vehicles, just not have to walk in out of the mud, that kind of thing. And we've still got a lot of dress up work to do after it cures a little bit. It looks all mottled right now because we had this poured. There was no rain in the forecast for 4 days, and yet we woke to rain this morning. But it's all right, it's still going to cure out just fine. Then we'll have to backfill in around it with some gravel and dirt and that kind of stuff. But all in all, I've already seen comments on the shorts we did about, well, you don't have any rebar in that. Well, rebar is great, and but it's not necessarily a requirement depending upon where you live. Where I live, you don't have to go with rebar until you get over 5 inches with your concrete layer. That's the code. And my ground out here is more sand rock than anything else. And I'm telling you, the driveway, if we didn't have gravel on it, just the plain old sand rock would be almost as hard as the concrete is. So it's packed well. We've been driving on it for going on almost 4 years now. So, you know, rebar in this use, in this instance, without putting, you know, 1,000 tons of weight on it is not going to be an issue. As a matter of fact, around where I live, you won't see concrete driveways done with rebar. It just doesn't happen unless somebody asks for it specifically. And then of course the prices go up, and since we cash flow everything, I don't think we're going to run into any issues here. Let's take a look at how they poured some of this. That's what it is. Lots of money, well spent in my opinion. We'll see you next time from Hitmakers Outdoors. Bye.